Hey guys, what's up? So, if you don't know, I need to replace that over there. That is Threadripper. You can't see it. It's the giant Tower 900 PC. It's got a Threadripper 2920X, 32 gigs of DDR4, like 2666 or something like that, a 4K 60 Pro, etc., etc. But I forgot to take the Elgato out. But if you can already guess what we're doing, I need a new streaming PC because I want to use Threadripper for videos. Yes. So get ready. I know a decent amount of you have actually requested this. I'm lying. No one requests anything anymore, except for stuff I don't want to do. But I want to replace Threadripper and use it for videos and do some testing with it and just have a fun time with my Threadripper PC instead of using it as a dedicated streaming PC. I have plenty of other hardware to do that with, and I would like to start using it for such things. So we have a 4K 60 Pro, which will also be used for 4K recording, which is great. We have a 1080p one. We're going to use that for something else, but we're going to put it in here along with our graphics card choice. Our graphics card choice today is this. Now, you're probably wondering, why are you not using the most beautiful graphics card on the planet? The RX 580 CutePet. Well, because it's too beautiful to go in this PC. This PC is a work PC. All it's going to do is live stream. Now, I don't even know why I'm bothering using my Trident Z Royal. And this is such a nice motherboard, but I don't care. I'm going to use some nice parts mixed with some bad parts. I should probably use worse RAM, honestly. What is it that I needed? It's this. This is the part that lets me hold in the HD60. So, that's the parts we need. But, I'm going to do one thing. I don't have a glove, so I'm just going to get fingerprints on it. Let's see. Don't want to use that cheap. Oh, I know. Now that I'm getting rid of Threadripper, I wish you guys could see this, but I'm lazy. And also, sorry about I don't really want to apologize, but yeah, I know the video's a little rushed, no zooms, I'm kind of leaning into the camera such. I'm trying to get back to where, I want to make kind of this video. I want to change out my office. I'm switching out my streaming PCs and such. So I thought I might as well record it. Worst case scenario, you don't like the video, you don't have to. That's entirely up to you to do. So, I'm going to take all of this RAM out, all at once, which will 100% cause many issues, and just rip them. Oh, we can't rip them all out. God, look at that. That is just beautiful to me. Something about Trident Z Royal. Okay, I don't even have to explain it. It's Trident Z Royal. It's beautiful. So, you'll notice that recently we took out, you remember I took out my 2700X to sell it to Blitz Neo. That's on its way now. So, what are we replacing it with? Well, a 2700X. If that'll focus. If not, you will notice that this is the one signed by Lisa Su. This is the 2700X Special Edition that you see the box for in the way back, the gold one. And I'm going to do a quick sideways, totally not condoned by anyone. Do not do this at home. Sideways install of my beautiful Lisa Su processor, because like I said, this PC's job is to live stream. Might as well have a sexy boy processor. Alright. It goes like this. And I'm more focusing on getting this right than doing the recording right. Because this is expensive hardware that now that I'm out of a job because of my car being crashed, I can't afford to replace. Now this, we need to wipe some thermal paste. Sure. And let's get a little more. I have Arctic MX4. Tube is not working. We're just going to use some Cooler Master Gel. And just... That is really watery. I don't trust that at all. Hold on. It just came out like water, dude. What? No, see, now I'm worried that it's water. Okay, that's more paste now. I'm seriously running out of thermal paste now. I've got this other thing of Master Gel Pro. It also came out like water, and that was way too much. Sure. Oh, you know what? I'll use the spreader. That didn't work. Oh, it's all over my fingers. Sure. Look at that. You know why I'm showing you guys this? To show you that it's not easy. But it's not hard. You just gotta remain semi-sane. That's my saying. Not easy, but it's not hard. You just gotta remain semi-sane. It's all over my hands. It does not come off your hands. Sure, whatever. Grayscale suits me anyway. Alright, hopefully audio's working, because if it's not, oh well, that's the video. And, oh god, this cooler mount is atrocious. AMD, I love ya. But ya freaking doggone it with this cooler mount that's not meant to be done in a case. Bruh. This is supposed to be the easy part. There we go. Hope you guys like my back. Hope you guys like this point of view. Did I just get that on? Wow. Oh, my RAM fell. Feels like it's not mounted correctly. But I mean, it's on. Oh, could have just broken it. Now, where's that CPU fan header? There you are. Boom. Let's install some RAM. One stick. I'm not gonna do the Count Dracula thing, man. It's not the kind of person I am. Don't even know why I'm doing 32 gigs of RAM. Could probably put in 8. This computer literally has one purpose. Take footage from one PC, turn it into something the internet can read, and put it on the internet. Sure, let's get thermal paste all over this graphics card. Bada bing, bada boom. 1 6-pin, because I bought this power supply from a moron who thought that he needed to... This guy who I bought this from sold his graphics card with the power cable from the power supply. Boy, you are dumb. Bro, go in. What are you doing? Bro, I don't know what's happening. I seriously just don't. We got it. Woohoo. All right, now let's put this in. Oh. Put that bracket in. Where's our 4K 60? There it is. There we go. Just like that. Oh, that was thermal paste. There we go. Now that's a PC I can get behind. Oh, we gotta take the graphics card out, but I don't want to, so we don't get RGB. No RGB on that. This is the no RGB build, because I'm too lazy to put it on. Can I even plug this thing in? I got a monitor here. I can't. Maybe it works. I'll plug it in over here. Yikes. Plug it in on the floor. That monitor will tell us if it works. Whew. Alright, what do we got? Power cord? Sweet. Hopefully I did it something right. Not everything, just something. Please tell me I did something right. If I can get an HDMI cable. Because the display port in this monitor is permanently broken. Oh no, my stack of like actually really nice RAM. No. There we go. Isn't this the quality content you signed up for? Just so you know, I am plugging this into the actual PC because there's literally no benefit to lying to you. Oh, the RGB actually works. It's just like not controllable. This monitor turns on when a freak, dude. I don't have my keyboard. Oh my god, turned on. What do we got? 2700X, 8-core, DDR4, 1866. Okay, wait, no, that means it's running at 36. No, is it really 1866? Wow, we gotta fix that. 32 gigs of RAM are 2 SATA devices. SATA port 3, SATA port 6. 250. No, that's not a SATA. Oh, I mean it is an M SATA SSD. Perfect. So it works to some extent, and that's all we wanted. So, what have we learned from this video? I'm very tired. I have no ideas, and I built a PC very quickly and very badly, and it worked. So, if there's any takeaway from this video, which I can assure you there is very little, if any, it's that you don't have to be entirely sane to build a computer. And, what am I saying? Sane? Calm? I mean, the best thing is to remain calm. But if you're rushing, you're freaking out a little bit, clean stuff off, it's not going to break. Computer hardware, believe it or not, is designed to work. It's not designed to break. If it breaks, you've done something really wrong, like using a 400-watt power supply for something that says 350 because you think you'll blow it up with a bigger power supply. Big myth about power supplies. I'll make a video about power supplies in the future. Because people still think you can't use a 1600-watt power supply with a 200-watt system. You can. But that's the point. So I built a little streaming PC. I think it's nice. That 2700X 8-core 16-thread is so much. It's going to get like actual the use it deserves. Doing 4K recording and 1080p 60 streaming. I think Threadripper needs to do more powerful stuff. Even if it's just running my Minecraft server, I would rather have 12 cores, 24 threads at like 4 gigahertz doing that than sitting here doing a live stream or recording. So Threadripper is going to be, I want to say retired, but it's not. It's actually going to be used more. I'm probably going to take out, I'm probably going to take out the motherboard for a little bit. Yikes, I might get an air cooler. Hopefully I can get one of my friends to buy me one, because I can't go to Micro Center anymore, for obvious reasons. And, so I'm probably going to get like an air cooler to make a test bench out of or I just take this whole build and put it over here and say, okay, this is Threadripper, what do you want to see with it? Because the case is great, it's humongous, you put whatever graphics card you want in, it's easy, slots in, out. I've got, two 8+8 pins, and 2 6-pin power connectors, so I have plenty of power for whatever cards I want to put in there. 1300-watt power supply, so I'm definitely going to do dual Radeon 7s, and just kind of see, like, what do you guys want to see with the Threadripper, and it's kind of it. It's probably going to end up somewhere over here. It might even end up under the desk, because I think it's just short enough to go under the desk, and this way I can have, like, plenty of space on the desk, so you guys test bench. So if you don't know, I'm going to keep talking, just, thought I'd build a quick PC and then tell you guys what's happening. This streaming PC and the Razer gaming PC, I know I didn't really do like a full video about the Razer gaming setup. I just kind of got distracted. I'm probably going to start selling some of the peripherals, believe it or not. I just bought them. I'll probably sell like the Razer Siren X. Actually, no, I think I can get some use out of that. The router I'm keeping. The webcam, I'm going to sell my old webcam, keep the new one. Headphones, the lights don't work. They're basically worthless anyway. The mouse I like, it's a wireless mouse. Even the mouse pad I like. So I'm going to keep a lot of the Razer stuff. I don't know about the keyboard. I might sell the keyboard, but who knows. That's the point. So the computer is going to become my gaming PC. That's the 3900X, 24 gigs of RAM. I know, 24, it's weird. Don't worry about it. And a 1080 Ti Poseidon. That'll be my gaming and editing PC, so my FPS are going to be insane. Believe it or not, if you don't know, the 1080 Ti is still one of the best graphics cards you can buy right now. It beats the 2080 in some places, or a lot of places. I don't actually know. I just know YouTubers are saying it beats the 2080, so whatever. This is my streaming PC. That'll be my gaming PC. Threadripper and the 9800X, basically my most interesting computers. 3900X is interesting for gaming. Everyone knows it's great for gaming. But the 9800X and the 2920X are the two most interesting processors. That's an Intel Extreme Edition CPU and an AMD Threadripper CPU. And they are sitting here doing nothing. So I definitely think I should be doing more with them. And I think when I move that PC, I'll put the old Extreme Edition PC there, take out the hardware. I want to do more videos about the 9800X because it's actually kind of searched a lot. My two 9800X videos actually have about 1,200 views apiece, so I want to do more videos on those. Let me know what you guys think. If you made it to this video so far, your opinion actually matters to me because you're smart enough to watch to the end. That's really it. I hope you guys kind of enjoy me building some stupid little streaming PC. It's supposed to be power efficient and good. So it's got a 2700X, which is a great CPU, air cooling, and a 1063 gig. That only takes a 6-pin power, and then the 4K 60, and that's it. It's nice and light. It's got plenty of cooling, so it'll be great. Little streaming and recording PC. That's at the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, also, video coming soon about how streaming and recording works with dual PC, single PC, and what it actually is doing. That's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.